Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Today's video is going to be about the cause of your hair being brittle and dry, or dry and brittle. Now, this is a nutrition fact. I'm just going to speak to you guys for a few moments. So if you have the time, please hear what I have to say, because this can really change your So we all know that in our diet, if we lack proteins and vitamins, this will cause us or our insides to be unhealthy, okay? Because we're not getting the nutrients that we need, okay? And when I say proteins and vitamins, I'm speaking about our food source, like your fruits and vegetables, your grains, your lean meats. This is what I'm talking about. Now, I know a lot of people take multivitamins. Me personally, I don't take them. I just solely rely on our food groups. Okay, so if you are taking them, I'm not against it. Do what you feel is best for you. But a lot of people were talking about their hair being brittle and dry. And this right here, what I'm speaking about, lacking proteins and vitamins in your diet, this can cause your hair to become dry and brittle, okay? And your hair would not get the nutrients, or your body, that it needs. So what we put in can result on what we look like, okay? So if we're eating right, okay, it will cause us to have beautiful, clear, glowing skin, okay? It will cause our nails to grow. It will also cause our hair to be healthy, all right? But if you're not eating the right foods to get these nutrients in your body, then you're going to be unhealthy and sluggish looking, and your hair will eventually get dry and brittle, okay? Do your research. Find out what foods are good for skin health and hair, all right? Do your research on that, all right? I learned this when I was in school, okay? So I know you heard this term before. You are what you eat, and that's very, very true. You are what you eat. So if you have, or your eating diet or routine is basically like bad fats and sugars, eventually it's going to take a toll on your body. Bad fats and sugars, consuming those every day on a daily basis, okay, will have some major problems with your organs, your health, your skin, and your hair. Your hair would not be able to repair or fix itself because of the lack of nutrients that you're putting in. Once again, you are what you eat. So you have to consume fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. When we were coming up, my mom, we had fruits and vegetables every day, 3 times out the day. Breakfast, lunch, we had fruits, and dinner, breakfast, we did have fruits. Lunch and dinner, we had fruits and vegetables, and that's the truth. My mother did not pack us with sweets and McDonald's and Burger King and all of these other. She cooked just like I cook. She cooked every day, and we always had a nutritious meal every single day. Okay, so if you are experiencing some dryness and some brittleness, it can be the foods that you are eating. Once again, do your research and find out which foods are good for your health, far as your skin, your health, and your hair. Okay, and this will help you. Drinking more water is also essential for our bodies because it will flush out the toxins. Okay, if you're not exercising, this will also help. It will also sweat out the toxins as well, allowing your skin to breathe and be clear, have a natural glow, and everything will be in place, okay? Everything will be in place. Once again, you are what you eat, okay? So I hope and pray that this video helped you. If it has, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so very much for allowing me to do these videos. I know you have asked about these videos, but once again, just go back to your food groups. Make sure that you are eating the right foods, getting the nutrients for your body, your health, your skin, and your hair. Okay, so I want to thank you guys so much. I have to get back to work, and if it's the Lord's will, you guys will see me in the next video. Thank you ever so kindly, and enjoy your week. God bless you.